Okay, Vincent White and Mark Butterfield meeting up for our weekly walk outside Philwood Library, built in the 1960s, where me and Mark used to use the library to do our school homework and use the reference books for information. How times have changed. I'd just like to ask Mark how becoming a walk leader has improved his overall health and well-being.
Other people go talk to them.
That's all right. Okay,
Becoming a walk leader through Vince, putting leaflets through my door has improved my health, my confidence, and my health and well-being.
Just come down through Throgmorton into Callington Road, and now we're cutting through a lane which leads to the airport road, which used to be the old what I called the brook, and I used to play in that as a kid as well, where the old prefabs used to be. So it's just a shortcut getting onto the airport road leading to Callington Road and then into the nature reserve. There's a few dumped agitator. It's not like how it used to be. It's a bit of a tip, needs cleaning up really. You know, sad to see really. We're now on the airport road, where they've recently modernised the pavement. So as you can see, it's quite a wide pavement, which is divided into two lanes for walkers and cyclists. Right, we're at the traffic lights of Airport Road, about to cross over into Callington Road, and the nature reserve is about 500 or 600 yards on the entrance to the nature reserve, 500 or 600 yards on the left hand side. We'll be entering there shortly. Right, we've reached the entrance to the nature reserve and we're going in through the kissing gate. There's a signboard with information: welcome to Callington Road Nature Reserve. The field was originally part of the Imperial Sports Ground until it became isolated when Callington Road was extended to the Wells Road. It was then used as an archery range and later as a pitch and putt and mini golf course. Some of the flat greens are still visible. There's a view of the nature reserve, as you can see. A few dog walkers. We'll be heading up towards the pond that is there, like a nature pond. It's a bit, it's not filled too high this time of the year due to the hot weather conditions. It's a bit low, but I'm not sure what sort of wildlife is in there, but no, I'll give you a view of it very shortly. So here's the pond. No, I think we'll stop off here and have a drink now, a natural break to have a refreshment. A message for the CEO of the Health Park, Heather Williams. Me and Mark just wanted to know whether we could claim our coffee expenses, as we're on official business. Right, we'll head up this dirt track into the woods, and it's a lovely little trail leading to various paths in the nature reserve, which is near the birds. I mean, you can also hear the traffic, you know. So, but it's like a little hidden oasis. It's another sign of information board with information on on wildlife and map of the nature reserve, and information on some of the wonderful wildlife that's here to see. And obviously there's another sign there for wildflower meadows and butterflies and bees and the importance of the meadows. It's a sculpture of an owl, which is quite nice. Some more views of the nature reserve, and there's a bench where we can sit down and have a rest before we head back. That's the end of the walk. With me and Mark now, we'll be heading back to the Wild West.